Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am coming on with a project share for My Crafting World Designs. And what I made was a few of these bow bag toppers. Really pretty die. Okay. So if you're interested in anything from My Crafting World Designs, you can use my coupon code so you can save 10% off of your order. So I'll set that right there. So the first one I made was this one here, and I just used some glitter cardstock. See if I can turn the light down a little bit. Some really glitter shimmery cardstock. It's like a pink, and I just put it on top of the white, and I curled, you know, the what do you call these? My mind is so blank. Y'all have been so busy this month. I hadn't had time to do nothing. I'm so far behind. But you curl them up, and this bow is really easy to put together. It's a few pieces, and Anna has a tutorial over there on her channel. So if you're interested, you know, I'll have all the links for this month's release. I will have the website's link as well, and I will put Anna's tutorial in the description box. So here is another one. So this right here is kind of like your guide. So you have this shape on your tails, and you have this shape on the two bottom pieces. So when you line them up, that's how you put the bow together. And these pieces here, you have like a piece here. It kind of like guides you. But there's no right or wrong way when you're putting a bow, because all bows, you know, are, you know, they come out different. So that is really cute. So this one, I kind of think, yeah, I did it the same way. When I did this one first, and I thought when I did this one, I thought I did these the opposite direction, but it looks like I put them the same way. But really, it probably wouldn't matter. So that is the second one. This one, I just embossed the back. I may have should have did the front too, but I didn't. And then that is the back. Now I did on this one, I put this on the outside. I guess I like it better without it being on the outside. But hey, it's your choice. So that is that one. Maybe I'll lay these down like that. And then I did this one, and I put the pattern paper for the base, and then I just did a pink bow, and I inked it up a little bit. And that's how I did that one there. And that's the back. And I did put that little piece on the inside on this one as well. So that is 3 bag toppers ready to go. So I have this little cellophane bag. It's really super long. So what I did is I folded it over at the top. So that way, when I put my bag topper on it, I can kind of put it a little bit right there. And then when I fold this over to stick, it'll go up under the flap there. And then I can put some little goodies on the inside here. So I have that one ready to go. So as you can see, my paper line is the garden party. I've pulled that back out. That is probably my all-time favorite paper collection from Maggie Holmes. So that is my 3 bag toppers, and I will be using those in a swap that I'm in. So I will be back and share all of that good stuff, and you can see how, you know, they're looking, you know, on top of the bag with the stuff on the inside. All right, you guys. So that is my project share for today. I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.